Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, 10 a.m. in the morning, we are going to explore Ramos Island. Under Island, bonsai garden. Look at that. So, we go this way first. We come back for that one later. That is look like a viewpoint. Look at that. It's beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. The view, beautiful over there. Wait, next time. Wow.
Let's go.
Okay.
I will help
Let's
you.
check out the chapel first. Wow. Very quiet. No one is here, but it's fully air conditioned. Wow. Let's check out the top. I think now we are going to the gallery. That's a gallery. What else behind there? Nice. So, no food allowed, no touching the photos, no using plastic while taking pictures, okay? No pets allowed. Do not step on the mat, okay? That mangrove park, we'll visit later if we have a time. You can buy some souvenir also here. Wow, Marcos Island, maybe I will go and check it out. Marcos Island, top view, beautiful. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful. So now we are going to the third level. It is going to be like a coffee shop. Let's have a look. Look at that. Hello, Paul. Hi. It's nice. We have a Jenga to play over there also. Look at that. That's nice. We are going to the fourth level. It's going to be a view deck. We are going to get a 360 view. It's going to be fantastic. We are going to fly the drone over there. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Wow. Look at this. How beautiful it is. Lucky enough today, sunny day. The view, seriously fantastic. So you have a two places you can go up. I'll take this place. That's good. Wow, the view is excellent. Look at that. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Welcome.
Say something, whatever you want to say, whatever it is.
Welcome to 100 Islands.
Wow. See, look at it.
That's amazing. Tag me professional nato.
Sure, I have 5 followers over here right now.
100 followers.
The view, amazing view. I highly recommend for everyone. Please come over here. If you come with a group tour, probably you will save a lot of money. But if you come alone, like me, you need to pay the private boat. Best place, highly recommended. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.